What's going on today, guys? Today we're going to be tackling the cold side intercooler pipe on my 2006 6.0 Super Duty. In the previous video I had mentioned that it was leaking, so we're going to go ahead and get that replaced. But first let's take a look at the part that I actually chose. So this is a Gates cold side intercooler pipe that I got off of Rock Auto. It's just a raw aluminized metal pipe, so it will replace the plastic pipe. Nothing fancy. If you look online, you're gonna see tons of different options. You're gonna find cheap ones on eBay. You're gonna find really expensive ones on diesel parts shops. The reason why I went with this is because it was cheap. It cost me like 90 bucks. And I didn't want to go with like a super cheap one that was powder coated, because I really didn't want to have any powder coating flaking on the inside, or end up just flaking off anyway. So I figured this would be a pretty safe bet. I like Rock Auto, so I get a lot of parts off of Rock Auto. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this installed. I don't really think that this is gonna be like a how-to video to install. It's pretty straightforward, and also those videos are a dime a dozen on YouTube. So just gonna show you guys why I picked this one. Go ahead and put it on and see if it stops the leaking. Another thing that I did want to mention before we get into the install, my channel is super small and I'm trying to grow it, and I keep trying to pump out these videos, but the funny thing is you actually get a lot of wind under your cells when you see any type of reaction for them. At least somebody showing you some support. So it's funny, I got the first comment on my video, and I was like, I want to make another video. I got really into it. So you guys might take for granted, or you probably don't notice, but especially for small channels, that kind of stuff just really, it means a lot more than you would think. So just wanted to call that out, and a shout out to you guys for watching the video. And then please please subscribe. It really doesn't mean a whole bunch to you, but it means a lot to the creator. So if you guys have, if you guys find yourself watching this video and you maybe are interested in seeing a 6.0 go through, its lifespan, and what can be done to it, and the channel build and all that stuff, go ahead and give it a follow, because like I said, it means the world to me. So thanks for watching, guys. Let's go ahead and install.
Rebel soul child, got a fist balled. I'm a respawn of ancestors, and I'm blessed, They are not him, tell him fess up. I get check stub, hella carefree, nothing scares me, hella reckless. Yeah, I got next up, right? No, we not the same, cause see when I look in your iris, you likely to talk but not ready to ride. You do better keeping it quiet. My pen is ignited, my soul is enlightened. I like who I am, but I'm biased. They palette is right, and my drip is a fountain. I'm not like these regular guys. All of that talk is misguided. She like the way I make the tape print, but the way I make the words play is grim. I'm the reaper reaching for the kill switch. The label cut the check like the bladesman. Something sparking where his brain is. The beat is somewhere where they prayers in. Geronimo, the way I make the bass jump when no parachute is tasteless. They likely to run their mouth, but when they see you face to face, they quick with the shape shift. Up through the night, work the grave shift. Batted from the cradle to the grave, bitch. Big mad how they face tense. Look both ways for you catch fade. I'm a nice guy on the inside, still I'm not somebody to be played with.
There it is. Gross.
I left the city, I've been browsing, treading water that they drowning. My head on the swivel, yeah. It's only really my surroundings. They keep it all the way 1,000. I don't remember how the ground feels. I left the city, I've been browsing, treading water that they drowning. My head on the swivel, yeah. It's only really my surroundings. Can't stop, won't stop, till I tour the world when the glow trap. Then a nigga dope at the stove top. Type of shit they hide in a tube sock. I done skip town on a new block, but I'm still around, nigga, just not. Better hold it down with a group drop, where I kick down for the crowd, a balloon pop. Let they come around for my moolah. Better run them out of town for they hoopla.
So that was a lot harder than I thought it would be. Yeah, we got it done. Like I said, that was a lot harder than I thought it would be, but it's definitely made it pretty awful too, because this is leaking, and so it's been covered. My hands all nasty. I gotta wash them like 3 times while I'm trying to do this. Get a hold of it. Man, it did not want to come off at all. But yeah, this little pinhole in here, you can see it's leaking all down. Disgusting. So yeah, another thing too is I see a lot of people have to disconnect the batteries because they're disconnecting the map sensor. You know, really, if you can, you know, kind of wiggle that air filter out, you can get the air box out without having to take all the other hoses off. Obviously the front ram tube, that one comes out pretty easily. So once you get the whole thing off, so, you know, try to get as much as I can on video and got that all done. Like I said, I appreciate it so much for anybody who stops by, watches the video, you know, and you have no idea how much it means to me to have you guys comment, subscribe, follow the channel, and show some support. All right, guys, appreciate it. We'll see you in the next one.